Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi Mi Portable photo printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the device name in Mi Home app. To do it, you need to open the printer and click on the three dots button. Then scroll down and find your device name. And you can change it right now. For example, Mi Printer. Click OK, and cool. The name of the device was successfully changed, but it was changed in Mi Home application. But you can't change using Mi Home app the name of Bluetooth device. If you wanna change it like a Bluetooth device, you need to do it using Android device. You can do it with iOS. So if you want to change the name of this device, you can use Android device, connect to the Android device, and via Bluetooth settings change the name. But you can change the name using Android settings only for your Android device, but other Android devices will see this device like normal Xiaomi Mi Portable printer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.